Have you ever pondered over the idea of making money online in Estonia? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll delve deep into the process of generating income from the comfort of your home or anywhere else with an internet connection in this beautiful Northern European country. First and foremost, it's important to understand that earning money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, dedication, and most importantly, a reliable internet connection. The first step is identifying your skills or interests. Are you a wordsmith who can craft engaging content? Or maybe a tech-savvy individual who knows how to code? Perhaps you're a fantastic artist who can create beautiful digital designs. Identifying what you're good at is the foundation of making money online. Once you've identified your skills, it's time for the second step: market research. Understand the demand for your skills in the online marketplace. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great platforms to start your research. The third step is creating an impressive online portfolio. This is your chance to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Remember, first impressions matter, so make sure your portfolio stands out from the crowd. The fourth step is setting up a payment method. In Estonia, PayPal is widely used. However, there are alternatives like Payoneer or direct bank transfers. Choose a method that suits you best and ensure it's set up correctly. The fifth step is the most important: marketing yourself. Use social media platforms, join online forums, network with potential clients. The more visible you are, the more opportunities you'll garner. Finally, the last step: deliver quality work and maintain professionalism. This will lead to positive reviews and potentially repeat clients. In summary, earning money online in Estonia involves identifying your skills, conducting market research, creating an impressive portfolio, setting up a payment method, marketing yourself, and delivering quality work. Remember, the process requires patience and dedication. However, the rewards can be substantial, offering not just financial gain, but also the freedom to work from anywhere at any time. So as we wrap up, it's clear that the digital world offers a myriad of opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. And with these steps, you're well on your way to earning your first paycheck online in Estonia. With determination, consistency, and a dash of creativity, the internet can become your gold mine. Now it's time to take that first step. Identify your skills, do your research, and start creating your online presence. The world is waiting to see what you have to offer, and who knows, you could be the next big thing in the online marketplace, right out of Estonia.